Hey everybody, welcome to the video. Today I have two amazing products to cover. These are the Echo 3rd generation smart speaker and the Amazon Echo 8-inch Show. I'm excited to dive in and check these out because these are some new products for the Amazon Echo lineup. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first and foremost, I just want to say to everybody, thank you for the previous year. I know it hasn't been a full year for me, but thank you for the support that you guys have given. I'm not going to be doing a review video on the year because it hasn't been a full year, but it's been good and I appreciate the support so far. Now, if you are listening because you want to learn more about the Echo products, please do me a huge favor and definitely turn off those devices that I won't use the word for until you mute your speakers at home. Perfect. So I did pick up these Echo devices by myself. I did purchase one through Amazon and the other from Best Buy. And I did get some pretty good deals over the holiday, which I imagine many of you guys at home also got the same deals. A few years ago, about a year and a half, 2 years ago, I did buy one of the Echo Dot 2nd generation, and it was terrible. I've heard really good things and I love the way these guys look. So let's jump in, we'll do an unboxing, then we'll test a few things out that I've learned along the way about these products, and we'll see if it's something I recommend. Let's see what we got. We've got a little simple setup and use. Download the app, plug in the Echo, and just ask Alexa, what can you do? First off, I've seen a lot of people love this packaging. It's nothing super fancy. You got a black interior, the box on the outside, on the inside. Now this is kind of cool. It looks a little bit like a lantern. I won't say that's revolutionary, but it is smart to pull the whole thing out with just one tab. So I can appreciate that. So I know this speaker, it has like a 3-inch woofer on it. I'm told it's supposed to be like the Echo Plus, very much like the Echo Plus, but in a more simple version for a lesser price. And I'm happy about that because if I'm just getting into these Alexa products, the Echo products, then I don't want to have to spend $150, $200 just to get one speaker. So the Echo Dots are not a standalone device. And from what I understand, the Echo itself is a standalone device. I mean, it features a 0.8-inch tweeter, 3-inch woofer, Dolby audio, and that sounds like a pretty good amount to me to put into one small little speaker. Looks clean. Looks like there's some sort of button down here. Not sure what that is. Feels a little rough and scratchy, almost like a, almost like a cat post. It is a good fabric. I know it's gonna last, but it does feel a little scratchy. Okay, so you do have up here, you have your volume buttons, and this is actually to control your microphone. With all of the privacy issues going on these days, I'm actually pretty happy they did that, and I know they've been doing that. Here's the problem though, it is an electronic sensor of the microphone. Who's managing that? Is the speaker itself, the hardware here managing? Is the hardware here managing that? Or is that software based? And what I mean by that is, can it still be controlled whether I click that button or not? Or does that is that a dead switch? Who knows, right? And this other feature here is the action button. So you could press this and say an action, it'll do that. But you can always say, Alexa, schedule a meeting for me. And this last little piece at the top is a notification ring, just like all the previous generations. All right, so next up we have the Echo Show. I want to start setting up some smart home features, being able to turn lights on and off when I'm not here. Plus, there's some other features here. Hey, I'd love some help in the kitchen. And this is supposed to be able to do that. So same kind of deal, pull it up. You got your handle here. I do like that they put their logo there. That is pretty cool. You know, right off the bat, this is a pretty decent size. I do have an 8-inch tablet. It actually feels smaller than the 8-inch tablet that I have. If I'm gonna be using something, especially while I'm doing other things and I need to, look down and reference the size of the screen, I don't want a 5-inch is smaller than my phone. My phone is almost a 6-inch screen. You can see here, that has a bezel around it. My phone has a smaller bezel. This is not that much bigger than my phone. So this is the mic and camera on and off button. Beyond that, they also give you a shutter on and off. So this is privacy at your own control. This is why I brought it up before. And this is privacy at the control of Amazon's own device. Do you trust that this privacy works? Is that important to you? And the camera, maybe that's more important in that privacy shutter, having a hard privacy shutter on there, I think is more important. Very good, very good. You can see it matches here, same material. We've got an extra micro USB port. I really want to get in and test these guys out. So I'm going to get them plugged in, fired up, and we'll do some testing, and I'll kind of show you guys along the way for that testing.
There we go. Interesting. Give it 2 seconds.
I did take a little bit of time to set these guys up. They don't take long, but you do have to make sure that they're all connected to the right areas. I did that. So far, the experience was semi-pleasant, but if you didn't do a lot of research, you'd probably be sitting here like, okay, what do I do with them now? Now, the Alexa app on your phone does give you some tips and tricks, and we're gonna kind of go over some of those right now. So I'll just jump right into it. If you just set up the show, the 8-inch, you're gonna be getting a screen that says, hey, say this, say that. We'll go over some of those right now. Let's give it a shot. Hey, Echo, show me the weather right now.
Here is the weather in
Hey, Echo, what's the weather right now?
Currently, in it's 51 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies. Today, you can expect rainy weather with a high of 51 degrees and a low of 38 degrees.
Hey, Echo, can you set a reminder to pull my cookies out of the oven in 10 minutes?
Okay, I'll remind you in 10 minutes.
Hey, Echo, can you remind my viewers to subscribe to the channel in 30 seconds?
Okay, I'll remind you in 30 seconds.
Thank you. Now, I don't have a crazy amount of smart products. I'm just getting started into this, and this is, I believe, where you want to start. Almost every smart product you need needs to have either a hub or one of these bass speakers or Echo shows to be able to basically...
Viewers to subscribe to the channel.
So if you get any smart product, whether it's lights or it's plugs or it's kind of additional third party, you do need a hub or you do need one of the Echoes or one of the Echo shows. But I'm not there yet, so let's see what these guys can do for me in the meantime. Echo, show me some chili recipes.
Okay, for chili, here's a few recipes. And lots more.
Echo, give me some step-by-step instructions on making chili.
Sure, I can search by dish name and ingredients. What would you like?
A chicken chili.
Okay, for chicken chili, here's a few recipes.
Echo, show me number 1. Will you read this recipe to me?
Let's get going. Step 1. Cook the onions in the oil over medium-low heat for 10 to 15 minutes until translucent. Add the garlic and cook for 1 more minute. Add the bell peppers, chili powder,
Echo,
red pepper.
go back to home. Echo, open my Audible.
Getting your selection from Audible. Resuming Learn French with Paul Noble, Part 1. There's 1 hour, 19 minutes left in the chapter and 2 hours, 27 minutes left in the book.
Echo, I have an important date next weekend. Will you set a calendar reminder?
On what day?
Saturday,
When on Saturday should I remind you?
2 p.m.
Okay, I'll remind you Saturday at 2 p.m.
Echo, what are some good items to order online?
I don't know, but I'm always learning. Thanks for asking. And now if you'd like a giggle, ask me for a joke.
Echo, tell me a joke.
What did Han Solo say to Luke Skywalker on Thanksgiving? May the force be with you.
May the forks be with you. Echo, do you understand what I'm saying right now?
I do my best to understand everything I can. I'm always learning.
Echo, are you smarter than Google Assistant?
I like all AIs.
That was a super fast response. Hey Echo, show me gaming monitors on Amazon.
Showing the top results for gaming monitors. Amazon's choices. Sector 24 inches curved LED monitor, full HD HDMI VGA up to 75 Hz. It's $109.99.
Echo, choose the highest rated one and add it to my shopping cart.
I'm not sure which one you mean. Try things like add number 2 to my cart, or buy number 1.
So it's almost there. It does give a list, but it has to go by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It can't really go by their ratings yet. So it's getting better because before it didn't even allow that. Hey Alexa.
Hi. Happy New Year. Hi there.
Hey 1240.
Pull my cookies out of the oven.
Look at that. Look at that. Hey Echo, will you video call my phone? Hey Echo. Hey Echo. I said video call Travis. Echo, will you video call Travis?
It's Travis Bain.
It's Travis Bain. Ba-dink, ba-dink, ba-dink. Ba-dink, 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 ba-dink. There we go.
Give me 2 seconds.
Okay, so I've seen a lot of people kind of trash talk this little 1 megapixel camera here, and this is the image on the right hand side. It's actually a really, really good photo. So I think this is really good. There's hardly a delay, maybe about a second. Let's go 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I think the camera works really well. Echo, end this call. Echo, play Harry Potter quiz.
Okay, here's official Harry Potter quiz.
Let's test out the quality of the speakers. Let's see how they sound. Echo, pause. Now, the last thing I wanted to test, we did hear the Echo Show speaker, but this Echo device is supposed to have a bit of an equalizer built into it, just like the Echo Plus does. Let's play a little bit of music. Alexa, turn the volume up 4 notches.
Why they playing games now?
Alexa, volume down 2 notches.
Where I see you over there taking pics with millionaires.
Alexa, turn the bass up 2 notches.
In the sun, lies, acting naughty, showing off that body.
Alexa, bass down 3 notches.
You say you want my baby. No thanks. Thoughts everywhere, that hoe over there. Why they playing games now?
Alexa, treble up 1 notch.
That hoe over there. Why why they playing games now.
Alexa, turn mid-range up by 2.
The other day, she played it off cool, but I'm no fool. I see you now, dancing in the aisle with the rich boys.
Alexa, pause. So that's all I really wanted to get into, you guys. I think these two devices did really well. We went over some good features on both of them. Now I'm gonna get these paired up, put into my house. Yeah, I would totally recommend this. I know there's some videos out there kind of bashing this 8-inch Echo Show, but I promise you guys, I've had a good experience so far. The setup was great. It's been super easy, and I can see how much more I'm gonna be able to do. I would absolutely take this Show over the Echo right here. Now, the sound is a little bit better, and this is probably gonna go into a second room for me, so that's fine. But if I'm gonna choose one, I'm probably gonna choose the Show, just because I can do more with it. This can't play me step-by-step directions on cooking something and show me that recipe at the same time. This can't do video calls. This can't search the web. It can't play music videos, but this can, and guess what? I paid the same price for both of them. Yes, the music quality is a bit better. I feel like this is an add-on. If you're gonna get a speaker system and you want a smart speaker to go along with it, to power everything, perfect, this is it. You could even get the subwoofer that they offer. This would be a good accompanying item, but you can do the same thing here. So if I'm gonna make my recommendation, it's gonna be this Echo Show 8, hands down. That's my first choice. Thanks for watching my unboxing and quick review. I hope these small tips and tricks helped out. I know when I first opened the box, I kind of looked at these devices and said, okay, what do I do? And they do give you some how-tos, some quick tips right out of the box, especially on the app, but it's never enough. But just keep using your device to the best of your ability, add features to it, let it learn from what you do, give it skills. That's a big thing in the application, is giving it skills to do more. And once you've kind of learned, add more. Hey, I appreciate you guys as always. And if you've made it this far in the video, give us a like and definitely subscribe to the channel. It's you guys that allows us to keep making this awesome content. So I appreciate you very much for that. Thanks for watching this first in smart home products. We'll catch you in the next video, everybody. Have a good day.